Hello from this nudist beach paradise in Värmdö. This is Björnö Björkvik, marked as a nudist beach spot on the Scandinavian Turistportalen, and there is nobody here. Today, 12th of September, and the hour is 5 p.m. We have 19 degrees Celsius in the air, and in the sea it's around 18 degrees. And how I know? Because I measured earlier today at Strand. It's just around the corner. And I have been on this beach spot in summer, and it was amazing even then, but even on this September day it's fantastic. The sun is up this evening, and we're gonna have at least 2 more hours of sunshine here in Stockholm after yesterday afternoon and evening being very dramatic with winds up to 20 meters per second in the evening and it was raining also as well, but I managed to catch yesterday in the early day when it was just cloudy. But everything is a lot better with sun. And yeah, I'm also now in the last stages of my common cold, which is getting away from me. And it feels amazing to be here. This spot is so beautiful with all the rocks and located just across Björkvik's Brygga. We can see it on the other side. There is nobody even there right now, as I can see. That is where the bus line 229 and 229X stops. But there are 2 other buses that you can get also as well close by where I'm taking the bus also. And I have now 1 more hour to enjoy this paradise, as I'm planning to take the bus at 6:05. It looks amazing indeed. Now, this is the Baltic Sea, obviously, and it is a bit tricky, I must say, here to get into the water, but I will do my best so that we can take a swim together in the beautiful Baltic Sea. And you can see it's a very big formation of rocks here. It is so stunning and beautiful. And there we have the sun that is on its way down. 2 more hours approximately until the sunset. Now the day is getting shorter and shorter. We are now almost 3 months away since the longest day on 20th of June. So the day will be getting shorter, and that is a fact. So let's get going and take a swim on this nudist beach spot, Björnö Björkvik, in the Björnö Nature Reserve. Let's see what do we have here. Here it is very slippery, so I won't be going in there. Or maybe yes. Or maybe yes. It's a beautiful piece of nature, so it's fantastic to take a swim here, even though we have a bit of hard waves over here. I think I'm still going to manage to go in for a dip. Oh yeah, it's actually not just slippery here for some reason. Because the algae has taken away because of the colder waters. But yeah, I can't believe that I'm exploring 1 more nudist beach on this 12th of September. And then let's go through these rocks here in these nudist beach vibes and go in together for a swim. Very soon. Yes. Oh, that's amazing. Look at that. Look at that, it looks spectacular, really spectacular. What a beautiful day to be out on the sea. It is just magical. So that is a wrap from Björkvik Nudist beach spot here in the beautiful nature of the Björnö Nature Reserve. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.